Hey guys, welcome to my first cooking video. Now, I've had some success cooking scrambled eggs based off of Jamie Oliver's recipe on YouTube and a few other videos looking at general technique and ideas. But recently I found something that I really like, gives me really good consistency, that's a little bit out of the norm when it comes to Western scrambled egg cooking. Specifically, I'm using a wok style pan here. It's got a little bit of a depth to it. I suppose you could use something similar, but I found this to work much better than the regular flat frying pan. And so I've had it on the high heat now for a minute or two, and it's gotten quite hot. I'm going to lower the heat to, well, technically this is still high on the stove. I'm going to put the oil in. I'm going to be relatively liberal with the oil. I have two oils that I use, and I use light olive oil and extra virgin, and so this one will go with the extra virgin. Fairly liberal with the oil. And what we're going to do is let it coat all around, staying on this high heat. Okay. We don't want the oil to burn, and the trick here is we're going to pour the egg in a little bit like in a stream, and as we do this we're going to use long chopsticks or spatula and mix at the same time. Okay, now that I've got all my egg in there, I don't know if you can see it well in the video, but the more solid bits in the middle are forming as I'm brushing it all in. I find that in this way of cooking it, I have much greater control over how watery do I want my eggs. I'm constantly moving the eggs around, right? And so I get a very specific consistency that I like. Okay, heat off the pan. Shake it a little bit just to make sure you get a little bit coverage on every side. I don't like mine too runny, so of course the heat will still continue to cook the eggs, and then off the pan into the bowl. Whatever egg you had in the bowl will cook with the cooked eggs on top of it, so not worried about using the same bowl again. I'm just gonna season it real quick with a little bit of salt and pepper. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of chili pepper flakes, just because I like the heat. But basically, what you get is a consistency that is very easy to control as compared to the other cooking with the pan and just dunking it in and then slowly trying to like pull at it. So this constant stirring method has been really effective for me. I really enjoy the quality, the texture of the eggs, and I have a much better time controlling exactly how runny I want the scrambled eggs to be. Okay, I have no idea when I'm going to do another cooking video, but I'm hoping this format works. Thank you very much, and see you guys next time.